Dive into the world of web development with the language that started it all, HTML. HTML is the backbone of every website. Created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, it's evolved from simple text documents to supporting multimedia and complex layouts. Let's break down 20 essential HTML tags you need to know. 1. This tag defines the root of an HTML document. 1. Holds meta information like the page's title. 1. Sets what shows up in the browser tab. 1. Contains all the content you see. 1. 2. These tags are for headings from largest to smallest. 1. This is your go-to tag for paragraphs. 7. Creates hyperlinks. 8. Embeds images. 1. And for unordered and ordered lists. 1. List items go here. 1. Defines sections or divisions. 1. Inline container for text, great for styling. 1. Adds a line break. 1. A horizontal rule for thematic breaks. 1. Defines a form for user input. 1. Fields within a form. 17. Clickable button. 18. Table structure. 1. Rows, data cells, and headers in tables. These tags are your building blocks for creating awesome web pages. Practice using them in your projects, and you'll be a web wizard in no time.